Okay, hey love bugs, Modelglamher back here with you. I didn't cut the lace on this one. I'm getting kind of tired of doing these rig reviews for one day. I have a lot of them. Just need to cook me some dinner and everything, so I'm gonna make this a quick one because look at those adolescent, them full-grown woman baby hair right there. That's what that is, full-grown woman. So let me let you know who this is. This is brought to you by Zury, sis. No, let's get this clear. This is who the unit is by. Zury, sis. They are not sponsoring this video. So anyway, so this is from the Beyond Your Imagination collection. And it's a natural top knot and half updo style. And her name is BYDTP/LaceH. And her name is Bless. And the color is Sombre RT Burgundy. And she has a lace front twin parts. Got a part over here, part right layer, and got a little French braid going on right there. I'm here for it. How about you? Got a part up there. The hair is a wavy texture, as you can see. I haven't received any tangles yet. And she's not shedding or anything. She's very soft. I can run my fingers straight through her. Oops, get a snag. Oops, get a snag. So yeah, she is soft. That is that parting space, which is good in my book. I ain't into plucking no parts, no way. And you can add some powder to it if you like. So she has 2 combs in the front. Got comb there, comb in the back, and their usual adjustable straps. So this is her on the left. This is her on the right. Put her to the back. To the back. So let me stand up so you can see how far she falls down. Okay, this is her in the front, so I come past my boobs. She go in the front, and this is her in the back. In the back. Yeah, so what you think about her? Yeah, I did say she's by Zury, sis, right? Yeah, from their Beyond Imagination collection. Wasn't sure if I said it was Zury, sis or not. So yeah, so comment below and let me know what you think about her. Would you rock her? Probably. I don't even know if I want to take her down or not, because, honey, me getting her back in this would be a challenge in itself. I know how to braid, but I don't know how to do this part right here. So, yeah, so let me know what y'all think about her. If you're wondering why I have on blue lipstick, I done did that for the last 3 or 4 reviews I did. It was just coming from church, and I didn't change my lipstick. It went along with the hair I was wearing. So here we are. So let me know what you think of her. Would you rock her? And comment, like, and subscribe, and please do share. See y'all soon. Bye bye.